Alright, today I'll show you how to do the double exposure on a Nikon F Photomic camera. So this is a Nikon F1, and to do double exposure on this camera is actually pretty interesting. So I'm going to show it to you right now. Alright, so how we're going to make a double exposure is that first we need to make an exposure, which is what we're going to do now. We just make an exposure. So we do not wind this after we made the exposure. Instead, we change this selector from A to R. So from F-1 to rewind. So now that it's set on rewind, we need to turn this knob. You see this arrow? So we're going to turn this knob while watching this intensely. So we need to get this to turn one round or slightly more. So you see, as I turn this, this will turn together, you see? See? So we're going to turn it one round. Alright. And after I'm done, I need to move from R to A, from rewind to F1. So after I've done that, I will wind until it's armed. And then for the double exposure, actually you can set it at a different shutter speed or different exposure level. So once you're done, you fire, then this is how you get a double exposure on the Nikon F1. So now I'm going to show you how it looks like with the film inside. So I'm going to show you the film as we do this process. We're going to show you the film how it looks like. So do not attempt to do this with an actual film that you're using, because once you open this compartment, everything is exposed and the whole film is spoiled already. So but this, I'm just using a tester film so I can show it to you. So here we go. Do not do this with your live film, only you do it with your sample film. So this is a sample film, so it's fine, but do not do the same thing I do with your actual film that you're using for actual pictures. So there you go. So I arm the shutter and I fire it. So this is the first shot. So we're going to turn it to R, rewind. You can see that I'll rewind while watching this. So this one needs to make one round. So you see, show you. So see, once it makes one round, and we put it into F1 and wind it back. This is the second exposure works now. So you can see that what the mechanism does is that once you fire it, it rewinds it for one frame, then you advance one frame, so you get the same exposure on the same location. So there you go. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for joining by. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.